welcome back in our SST class. How are you students? I hope you all are fit and fine. As you know students, our chapter number 10 is going on Agriculture and Crops of India. In our previous classes, we have discussed different types of crops and about their features, and then we have discussed about their states, in which states these crops are grown. So we have discussed about the beverages crops, we have discussed about the food crops, then we have discussed about the cash crops also. Okay, and in our today's class we will discuss about another different type of crop. In today's class we will discuss about the fiber crops. So what are fiber crops? Fiber crops are used to make clothes and this used in various purposes. Okay, so fiber crops are used to make clothes. We will take an example like cotton, like jute. Okay, here you will take example. Cotton is a fiber crop. Okay, and we just use cotton to make clothes for the various purpose. Okay, here you will take another example of jute also. So jute is a fiber crop and we just use this jute to make gunny bags also. Okay, beta. So students, first we just discuss about the cotton. What about their features and then in which states this crop is found. Okay, so let's start with the cotton. Cotton, it is the main fiber crop in the world. Cotton is the main fiber crop in the world because cotton is just used to make clothes for the various purposes. So it is the main fiber crop in the world. It is here. And which type of climate it needs? It grows in the hot and humid climate. It is clear? Cotton needs hot and humid climate. And in which type of soil it grows? It grows in black soil because black soil is fit for the cotton. It is clear? In your chapter number 6 already we have done about the different types of soil. Okay, and then in that chapter we have discussed about the black soil. So black soil is good for the cotton cultivation. It is clear? So cotton needs black soil. Cotton just grow in black soil, and in which climate it needs hot and humid climate. It is clear about their features. Now in which state it is found? It is found in Gujarat. So here is Gujarat. Here is this part, it is Gujarat, and where it is found Maharashtra also. This part it is called Maharashtra. It is Maharashtra and it is found in Andhra Pradesh also, outside of Tamil Nadu. Here is Andhra Pradesh. So cotton is grown in Andhra Pradesh also. Okay, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab and Haryana also. So here is Punjab. Okay, Punjab also and Haryana also. Here is Haryana. It is clear about the states where the cotton crops are just grown in our country. In which state it produced in a large quantity? In Gujarat, in Maharashtra, in Andhra Pradesh, in Punjab and in Haryana. It is clear about the cotton. Cotton is the main fiber crop in the world. It is the important fiber crop in the world, and we just use the fiber crops. You will take an example like cotton. Cotton we just used to make the cloth. Okay, for the various purposes, and it needs which type of climate it needs? Cotton grows in hot and humid climate. It is clear? And which type of soil it needs? It needs black soil. Most of the cotton, it means the black soil is the best for the cotton cultivation. It is clear about the cotton. Now the next fiber crop, that is jute. Okay, next fiber crop is jute. Jute is also an important fiber crop, and in which climate it grows? It needs hot and wet climate. It is clear? Cotton needs hot and humid climate, but jute needs hot and wet climate. It is clear? And it is also important fiber crop in the world, and it needs hot and wet climate, and it used to make gunny bags also, mats also. It is clear, beta? Now next thing, in which state it is found? It is just found by the which state? That crops, that jute is produced in our country by which state? West Bengal. So beta, here is West Bengal. Okay, here is West Bengal. Then it is found in Bihar also. So beta, here is Bihar, outside of Jharkhand. Bihar. Odisha also. Where is Odisha? Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. Upside of Andhra Pradesh, here is Odisha. It is found in Odisha also, and it is found in Assam also. So beta, where is Assam? Here is Assam, and it is found in Uttar Pradesh also. So where is Uttar Pradesh? Here only. It is found in Uttar Pradesh also. It is clear about the states where the jute is just produced combined with the state. It is produced, most of the jute just grow in West Bengal. Here is West Bengal. Then Bihar. It is grow in Bihar also. This part it is Bihar, and Odisha also. Here is Odisha, West Bengal. Then Andhra Pradesh also. Okay, Assam also. So beta, here is Assam. Okay, and then it is growing in Uttar Pradesh also. So this part it is Uttar Pradesh. It is clear about the cotton and jute. Both fiber crops are very important in the world, and the fiber crops are used to make clothes, okay, for the various purposes. And if you talk about the cotton it means the black soil is the best for the cotton cultivation, and cotton needs hot and humid climate. It is clear, and it is grown in the black soil only. And in which state it is found? Most of the cotton is just grown in Gujarat, in Maharashtra, in Andhra Pradesh, Punjab, and Haryana. If you talk about the jute needs hot and wet climate, and it is also important fiber crop in the world. Okay, and which climate it needs? It needs hot and wet climate. Okay, so next thing about the state. Okay, in which state it is found? Most of the jute crop just grown in West Bengal. So here is West Bengal, then Bihar also. So this part it is Bihar. It got in Odisha also. It is Odisha, Assam also, and Uttar Pradesh also. It is clear about the states. So students, today we just learn about the fiber crops, about their features, and just learn about their states, in which state these crops are found. These crops are grown. It is clear. So just learn about the fiber